This statement is taken from DAWN News, being recorded at the rate of 80 WPM start. The UN Security Council will meet on Monday to discuss the situation in Ukraine, according to a revised schedule, following warnings from Kyiv's mayor urging residents to leave the capital due to mass heating outages caused by Russian strikes, as Ukrainian ambassador Andriy Melnik described Moscow's attacks as an appalling escalation of war crimes and crimes against humanity targeting civilians, while Mayor Vitaly Klitschko said the latest strikes left half of Kyiv's residential buildings without heating in sub-zero temperatures, and the Kremlin confirmed firing an oceanic intermediate-range ballistic missiles on Ukraine for the second time since the war began in February 2022, a weapon capable of carrying both nuclear and conventional warheads, which Melnik called a grave and unprecedented threat to European security, with Ukraine's request for the emergency UNSC meeting reportedly supported by six members, including France, Latvia, Denmark, Greece, Liberia, and the United Kingdom, as tensions also escalated with the UK earmarking $268 million to prepare British troops for deployment to Ukraine as part of a multinational force should a ceasefire be agreed between Moscow and Kiev, following a declaration of intent signed earlier this week by Britain, France, and Ukraine, outlining post-ceasefire troop deployment on Ukrainian soil plan. Moscow rejected, warning such forces would be considered legitimate military targets, British Ministry of Defence said the funds would go toward vehicle upgrades, communication systems, and counter-drone protection, with Defence Secretary John Healey emphasizing that the UK armed forces were being equipped to lead the multinational force, though MPs would debate the number of troops to be sent if a ceasefire occurs, and reports also surfaced that the UK faces £28 billion shortfall in military funding over the next 4 years, despite government pledges to boost spending amid rising tensions with Russia, prompting Downing Street to acknowledge growing defense demands without directly addressing the reported shortfall. Full stop.